Good day, how are you? This is Darlene from Rowe Brothers. I am standing here on the second floor of our new kitchen and bath showroom. It is almost complete. It is beautiful. We invite you to come up and check it out. In a week or two, we'll have the granite countertops down and it will be done. I am standing here today with our kitchen concierge, Jerry. Jerry's got over 30 years in the kitchen and bath industry, and he is our expert and he is fantastic and people love him. We are happy to have him. What I'm going to start is a weekly column called Just Ask Jerry. If you're thinking of doing a renovation and you don't know where to begin, Jerry is happy to answer any of the questions that you have.
Stop into our showroom, take a look at the cabinets that we have in our displays, and if you can, give me some kind of a budget that you're looking to stay within, and I can show you different brands of cabinets that we have that would meet your budget, and we would be more than happy to design a kitchen or a bathroom for you.